For DRC new V8 mini drone, compact, feature-rich fun for all skill levels. The 4DRC new V8 mini drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. Its compact design, HD camera options, and stable flight features make it ideal for easily capturing aerial photos and videos. Key features: multiple camera options. Choose from various camera resolutions to suit your photography needs. Altitude hold mode ensures stable flight, allowing you to capture clear images and videos. Headless mode simplifies flight orientation, making it easier for beginners to control. One-button return allows the drone to return to the takeoff point with a single press automatically. Wi-Fi FPV transmits real-time footage to your smartphone for an immersive flying experience. Compact and portable, the drone's small size makes it easy to carry and transport. LED lights enhance visibility during flight, especially in low-light conditions. Description: the 4DRC new V8 mini drone is designed to provide a fun and accessible entry point to the world of drone flying. It's equipped with features that simplify control and enhance the overall flying experience. The altitude hold mode ensures stability, while the headless mode eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation. With Wi-Fi FPV, you can see what the drone sees in real time on your phone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the 4DRC V8 mini drone offers a great combination of features, performance, and value. Specifications: Item NO for V8. Material: ABS plastic and electronic components. Color: gray, black and orange. Version: with no camera, with 0.3 MP for 80p camera, with 1080p 5.0 MP camera with 4K camera, optional. Gyroscope, 6-axis. Frequency, 2.4 G. Channel, 4CH. Motor, 716 brushed cordless motor. Battery, 3.7 V650 mAh LiPo battery, included. Transmitter power, 3 AAA battery, not included. Transmitter mode, Mode 2, left-hand throttle. Flight time, about 11 to 15 minutes. Charging time, 40 minutes. RC distance, 60 to 100 meters. FPV distance, 30 to 50 meters. FPV, Wi-Fi. Resolution, 30W for 80p, 500W 1080p, 4K. Camera angle, fixed at 25 degrees. Quadcopter size, 11134 cm, unfolded. Functions: up and down, forward and back, left and right turn, side flight. LED light. Headless mode. One-button auto return. Altitude hold mode. Wi-Fi FPV. Package included. Drone. Remote control. 3.7 V650 mAh battery. USB charging cable. For spare blade. For protection cover. Manual. Compact, foldable, and available in multiple versions, the new V8 mini drone is a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or drone enthusiasts of any age. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Caring Guy for more drone reviews and unboxings.